Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can mention everyone in a Facebook group. Let's say you're in a Facebook group and you want to message like all the people on Facebook. You cannot just like individually mention each and every single one of the people, because if there's like more than 100 or 200 people, it's going to be really hard. So there is one setting through which you guys can mention everybody on your Facebook group, and let me show you how you guys can access that. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. First step, I'm going to go on my Facebook Messenger, so I can click on the message icon at the top right of my screen to go to my Facebook Messenger. Now once I'm inside my Facebook Messenger, I'm going to go on my YouTube group over here. So let's say I want to mention every single person all at once. What I can do is open my chat just like this. After I go on the chat, what I want to do is write add, and over here it's going to show me everyone. But in your case, if it doesn't show you everyone, you can just type EVERYONE. It's going to do the same thing. Once you do that, you can see the everyone option at the top. Just click on it, and once it's highlighted over here in blue color, that means it's done. You can click on that arrow button in the side to send it, and everyone in this group is going to be tagged just like this. So that's how we guys can mention everyone on your Facebook group. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.